Stand on the X in the shadow's breath. Gravity hums of the cold and death. Past the horizon, the compass fades. Photonic vectors cut through darkened shades. Entropy falls when the heart takes flight. Love bends the beam through the edge of night. We trace the slope where the cool winds run, past storm and cloud to the light of the sun. Trace the arc through the null horizon, through the gate of straight light zayin. Slip the phase where the constants lean, to the place where the world turns clean. Matter's a mask for a brighter flame. 5D chord with a hidden name. Wave and a particle, thought and stream, right in the arc of the Zayin's beam. Shift to the higher and truer frame. Love is the constant, the final aim. Out from the center we break and soar into the hands of the air.